Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the different types of market structures in economics. This is a fundamental concept that helps us understand how business operates, how prices are determined, and how competitive different industries really are. In economics, we classify markets into four main structures based on several factors. And to better understand and easily compare different types of market structures, it is useful to ask the same key questions for each one. And those questions will guide you in identifying the unique features for each market types. So let's take a look at this table that summarizes the key characteristics for each market structure. So here we first let's start with the perfect competition. Here we have perfect competition. So the first question to ask is how many firms are in this market, and the second question is how is easy to enter this market. The third question is does the firm has control over the price, and the fourth question is what type of product those firms in this market are producing, and the fifth and last question is about the information. Is information about the market available for consumer and firms? Here for the perfect competition, the number of firms is very large and the firms here are small. So we have very large number of small firms. Known barriers. Here we are talking about barriers. So it's very easy to enter the market. And there is no control over price. Here the firms are price taker. They produce homogeneous product or identical, the same product. And here the information is perfect. So all consumer firms here have the information about the market, including prices, quantities, qualities, etc. And a good example for this type of market is agriculture and stock market, where there is a very large number of sellers. They have no control over price. It's easy to enter this market. They sell all the same product and they have all the needed information. The second type is monopolistic competition. In monopolistic competition, we have large number of small firms. Here, if we have here very large, here it is large, a bit smaller. And if we talk about the possibility on try, actually about the barriers, we have low barriers. Here we don't have any barriers in perfect competition. Here we have, but it's very low. So to enter the market, it's very easy. Control over price. They don't have full control, but only some control. Here because of branding and marketing. The product. They produce similar product but differentiated through branding and marketing strategies. Here imperfect information, and the example for this type of market is restaurants and clothing stores. The third market is oligopoly. So oligopoly, in this market we find few but large firms. Okay, and the possibility to try this is hard. So barriers are high here. They have significant control but interdependent, which means the decisions firm depends on the others' decision or on the others' actions. They may produce homogeneous or differentiated product. It depends on the industry. Imperfect information, and a good example here is automobiles and telecommunications. We have also airline companies and soft drink industry, etc., smartphone, etc. So the fourth market is monopoly. Here in the monopoly, market structure, we find only one firm. The possibility to enter here is almost blocked, which means very high barriers here, have very high barriers to enter this market. They have considerable control. They are called price maker, so they control prices based on the demand. Okay, based on the demand. Now here, unique to now they produce a unique product, which means their product has no close substitutes. Okay, they have a unique product. The information is imperfect, and a good example in RGF example we have Sonelgaz alone in the market of electricity distribution. So we can find other companies in patented drugs and public utilities. So that's all for this chapter.